Hello students, in today's video I'll explain about experimental determination of osmotic pressure through Berkley-Hartley's method. Otherwise we will say it as a measurement of osmotic pressure. Okay, so beginning, let us see what the apparatus consists of. The apparatus consists of bronze cylinder. The bronze cylinder which is filled with a solution. Okay, and you can see in middle there is a porous spot. The porous spot, in its wall, it is filled with a semi-permeable membrane that is called copper ferrocyanide, and you can see this porous spot, inside it is filled with solvent. Okay, this porous spot has two openings on both sides. One side it is fitted with a water reservoir to introduce the solvent, and this side it is fitted with a capillary tube to check the level of the solvent inside the porous tube. Okay, again you can see on the top of the bronze cylinder there is a piston, okay, in order to apply the pressure here, and there is a side you can observe the pressure gauge or manometer to observe or to record the pressure which is applied by using piston. Okay, so now let us see the procedure. Okay, so we know what is the osmosis process. Osmosis is nothing but movement of the solvent molecules through a semi-permeable membrane from solvent side to solution side. Otherwise we will say it as from higher concentration to the lower concentration. So we know semi-permeable membrane can allows only solvent molecules. It cannot allow solution molecules. Okay, whenever this movement is taking place, the solvent is moving from this side to another side, and there is a decrease in the level of the capillary tube. There is a decrease in the level of the water level in the capillary tube. Okay, then osmosis is taking place. But when I am applying pressure from the top by using piston, when I am applying pressure on this bronze cylinder by using piston, what will happen? It shows the pressure on the solvent molecules also. We are applying pressure on the solution side, but it shows the pressure on the solvent molecules. So the solvent molecules will not move from this porous spot to the bronze cylinder. That means what happens when we apply pressure, this level becomes stationary again. This level becomes stationary, and we will say that we will record that particular pressure in this pressure gauge. Okay, that recorded pressure or that applied pressure is called as the osmotic pressure. Okay, so now we will say this as osmotic pressure. As osmotic pressure is nothing but the pressure which is applied on the solution side in order to restrict the movement of the solvent molecules movement through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmotic pressure. Okay, so this is completely about Berkley's Hartley method and the diagrammatic representation. Thank you.